Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody left me a message on one of my videos, and I don't completely understand, but they want to put a border at 0.625 around a rectangle. And I just drew a rectangle and didn't even use any particular numbers. I am going to Control D. This isn't the best way. I'm going to show you, I think, the best way. Control D to make a duplicate. I'm going to make the duplicate red by right-clicking. So with my ratio lock, if I want it to be 0.625 in each direction, I'm going to back up and take away the int sign and hit the plus sign, 1.25. I had my ratio locked because it only works to do it this way, plus 1.25. That's put a border roughly, and sometimes it's not perfect. Perpendicular, it is 0.62, and we can run it out several decimals, and it's almost 6.25 or 0.625. The best way to do it, I think, is with the contour tool. We're just going to take a rectangle. I don't care what the size is. I'm going to have it selected and go to Effects and Contour one time to the outside, 6.6125 or 0.625. Look at this now when we use the parallel dimension tool and we run up the digits, it's 0.625 exactly in every direction. So that's the best way to do it. And, you know, the only difference in this, you need to take away, select them both and go to Object and break the contour apart. So those are two separate boxes now. And you can do it to the inside or the outside. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit and answered his question, and thank you for watching.